welcome to our DIY ornament class today. With me I have
Margaret
and I'm Eva
from the Harlingen Public Library.
Yes, and we're gonna be learning how to make these cute ornaments for your Christmas tree. Hope you enjoy them. We have another one over here.
And hopefully we'll try to do this little sleds if we have time.
Yes, if we have time, we can make that one. And then we have another one over here. So
that
cute.
Everybody loves to make.
Yes.
Simple.
So, Margaret, what are the ingredients for?
Which one did you want to make first?
I would love to do this one right over here.
Okay, so that one just takes a few materials. All of this stuff is from your favorite craft store. So first we're going to be doing the little ornament balls. There's small ones. You can do the big ones, but we prefer the small ones. They look more original and cute. Okay. So here you're going to be taking off the stem from the ball, so that way you can start putting in
sprinkles, right? To do that one?
Yeah, they're real sprinkles.
Yes.
We also have little
sprinkles right over here.
These are foam.
And this one you can find it at the like in the bakery aisle.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
that's where we can buy that.
And this is craft foam beads. They're a bunch of foam, so you don't do anything wrong. So whichever one you want to do.
That one too.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take this
Just
out.
pop it up.
And these ornaments are plastic.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're working with your children and if they fall on the floor,
no worries.
You won't have to worry.
Correct.
That they're gonna be.
So keep this one inside because that's your lid. So I made and Eva made one of these little funnel cups, so that way you don't sprinkle everywhere. It's just made out of paper. We made a little hole and just put them in there, and you can put your sprinkles in there, any kind of beads that you want to put in. If you're having problems putting them in and you don't want to hold them, just get a little cup, put them in like that, and put a piece of paper so that way you won't, if you do spill, you'll spill on the paper, you can put it back in.
Now I'm just gonna fill it in. So much fun.
You can put halfway if you want. I prefer halfway or just a little bit, so that way you can see what's in it. You don't, I mean, it's supposed to look like a gumball machine.
So I'll be doing it out here.
Okay.
Got it. Perfect.
Looks very colorful. So just go ahead and put back your little ornament holder. Just clip it in.
So I just try to squeeze it in here once I have it inside here.
And it should be like this.
All right.
Okay.
So it closed.
So now we're going to be getting these little tiny solo cups, red cups that we found.
This one you can find them at any
craft stores.
They're called mini cups. So,
and you'll get one, and I'll get one.
All right. Take this one out.
Okay, here we're going to be getting our glue gun.
Okay.
And you're going to put your cup this way, upside down.
Okay.
So just either put dots of glue if you run out, of course, like me. Quick tip here, if you run out and you can't put your glue in, just put it in there with a little bit of glue and it's stuck.
Okay. Got my glue in there.
Okay. Now, facing up like a ornament ball should go, place it on your little solo cup.
On the top. Okay.
So once you're done here, you're almost done. We're gonna embellish it with those little flowers. There's little bows in there.
Oh, we have all these kinds of decorations in here that we're using.
Also, you can find these at your craft store. So either one you want to use. Usually they do put a little bit of glue on it in the back. I like to put extra glue so it won't fall. Right.
Nope.
So just put a little dab.
Actually, it's right over here. Take it out now.
And try to put it in the middle where the little holder is. It's doing this little bit, and it goes this way.
So I can use my glue.
Yes. Yes.
And there you have it. That's my gumbo machine.
So could I have the little sample?
Mm-hmm.
Because we're done with it. I get these little Coke tabs to make it like it's the gumball machine is gonna give you some gum in there too. So you just hot glue that and put it in there and you're done. And you can put this in your tree or on your table, give it to your teacher, sign it on the bottom inside, and that's it on this one. So on this one, we're gonna be doing, Eva will be doing Elmo, this little one, and I will be doing Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster. Yes, he's so
Facing that
cute.
way. So first, we are gonna be doing with the plastic ornaments. These are a little bit bigger than the first ones. What I did to make it simple for us, I found Elmo, and I'm just gonna be cutting the little eyes and the nose. And for
Cookie
Monster, just the googly eyes that I also found on the internet. So Eva will be cutting her eyes. This one is also very simple and quick. Also, you're gonna be taking off the little tab from your ornament because you're gonna be putting in, Eva will be putting blue for her Cookie Monster. I'm gonna be putting red. I usually put everything in first and then I'll put my eyes or my decorations on there first. So you're just gonna be taking this apart. Great, and we're just gonna stuff it in there.
Stuff it in there?
Mhm.
All right.
That's it, super simple on this one too.
So much fun.
It's starting to look like Christmas.
Started Christmas.
And just stuff it in.
Right,
And
once
so,
you
I don't know if anybody's having problems putting in these little hook thingies back to your ornament. You just put one in first with your other finger, push it in, and it'll snap in. That's it.
There you have it. Okay, so I'm gonna close it now.
Mhm.
And like she said, I put one in
Uh-huh.
and then the other.
Pop it in.
Okay, now
Okay,
it's
next
good.
step, just put a little bit of glue on your eyes. Just put it in the center. And that's it. So from there, you're just gonna get some string, any color you want. Snip on the little edges there.
Extra.
Mhm. And there you have it, Elmo.
That one.
For your grandkids, for yourself, for your teachers. Perfect gift.
That look beautiful on your Christmas tree
Mhm.
too. Okay, there is mine. Cookie Monster.
Too cute, Eva. Okay, the last one. This one does take you a little bit of time because of the wood. So we'll be getting some sticks. These are colored. You can do them in regular color if you want, or plain. So really eight
Eight of
popsicle
them?
sticks, the small ones, and then 2 of the big ones.
Well, I'm gonna use this.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of a dot of glue on one. And you're gonna set it with your small stick on top. There you go. Now you're gonna put another dot on the other one, hopefully on the same place. And it should look something like this. So from there you start building your sled. Put one right on your the bottom part, the brown one. You're gonna put 2 or 3 dots. Okay, from there we're gonna turn it upside down and glue this first one that we just did. You're just gonna glue it so that way we can start building the sled. If you can, just put a couple of dots and keep on going from there. Just keep on adding your small popsicle sticks. popsicle sticks a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom of the sled with glue so they all stay together. Just like that. So these we're gonna start embellishing the sled. I have little stickers of poinsettias. Eva's gonna be doing a Christmas tree, like they're slaying it down. Let's see it. Oh, that's cute, Eva. And here's mine. Hope you like everything we did. If you have Facebook, you'll see it there. Like and share and a comment if you want. Come and see us at the library. We're here at the reference department. If you have more questions or you want help how to do this, come on over. We're here to help you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.